peaceful forest, a young woman vanishes without a trace. Her last known location, right here. What followed was a nationwide search, but the truth would remain buried in the shadows for years to come. In the early hours of the morning, a lifeless body was discovered in this alleyway, sending shockwaves through the community. Despite countless investigations, the identity of the killer remains a mystery. The trial was one of the most sensational in history, with every detail scrutinized by the public. But as the verdict loomed, questions about the integrity of the investigation began to surface. Years later, in a forgotten evidence locker, a breakthrough would finally emerge. A single piece of overlooked evidence would reignite the investigation and lead to startling revelations. In a chilling confession, a notorious serial killer revealed details that would horrify the nation. The crimes spanned decades, with the killer eluding capture at every turn until now. What started as a glamorous event in this luxury hotel quickly turned into an international scandal. The implications of the crime would reach the highest levels of government, sparking outrage and controversy. An audacious heist left this museum bereft of one of its most prized possessions. The theft triggered an international hunt for the perpetrators, with leads spanning continents. In the midst of a passionate political rally, a single gunshot echoed, changing the course of history. The assassination would lead to widespread unrest and a hunt for those responsible. This quiet neighborhood was forever changed by the sudden disappearance of two young children. As days turned into weeks, the community's hope began to fade, but the search continued. A normal day turned into a nightmare when a series of coordinated attacks shook the city to its core. The aftermath would reveal a deeper conspiracy that spanned continents and shocked the world. Hidden away in these mountains, a secretive cult practiced rituals that would later be uncovered as gruesome crimes. The authorities would face their darkest fears as they uncovered the cult's true intentions. In what seemed like a normal family home, a horrific crime scene was discovered one fateful morning. The investigation revealed shocking secrets that led to the unthinkable tragedy. This warehouse was the nerve center of an international spy ring operating in the shadows. The uncovering of this operation would lead to a diplomatic crisis that nearly sparked war. A high-profile kidnapping led to a tense standoff between authorities and criminals, with millions on the line. The fate of the victim hung in the balance as the hours ticked by, with no clear resolution in sight. Behind the walls of this esteemed hospital, a dark secret was brewing, an illegal experiment that exploited the most vulnerable patients. As whistleblowers came forward, the shocking extent of the scandal was revealed, implicating some of the most respected figures in the medical community.